we've got 3 bananas here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm starting with 3 bananas, and I want to add some number of bananas so that I end up with 10 bananas. So this is what I'm starting with. I'm starting with 3, and I want to end up with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what do I have to add to the 3 to get to 10? And I encourage you to pause this video and try this out on your own. So let's work through this. So let's just start adding bananas. So that's 3. So now let me add a 4th. That would be my 4th banana. 5 bananas. 6 bananas. 7 bananas. 8 bananas. 9 bananas. And 10 bananas. So how many bananas did I add? So now I added some number of bananas here. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many did I have to add to the 3 in order to get to the total of 10, in order to get this 10 right over here? Well, we could just count these. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I added 7 bananas. I added 7 bananas to the original 3 bananas to get to 10. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. And you can see that what we have on this left side is indeed equal to what we have on the right side. On the left side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bananas. And on the right-hand side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they are indeed equal.